Welcome to the Employee Factory, your absolute go-to destination for AI and LLM technical education. In today's Explainer, we're exploring a massive paradigm shift in the world of artificial intelligence. We're going to dive deep into two incredibly powerful tools for building custom AI systems, AutoGen and Crew AI. These tools have been gaining some serious traction lately in the AI community, and we are so excited to break down exactly what they are, why they matter, who they're built for, and how you can actually start using them.
To give you the highest signal-to-noise ratio today, here's our quick agenda. First, what are AutoGen and Crew AI? Second, why do these tools matter? Third, who are they for? And finally, how to use them. Let's just jump right in.
Okay, so let's start by looking at the core problem we're all facing today. Right now, using a standard single-prompt AI is kind of like relying on an overworked lone genius. You know the type, right? They are brilliantly smart at answering one specific question, but they hit an absolute brick wall on complex, multi-step projects. It's literally like having an incredibly smart intern who just panics the second you ask them to manage an entire project. You give them a prompt, you get a response, and well, that's pretty much it. They can't plan, they definitely can't coordinate, and there is no way they can build an entire software application completely on their own.
But this perfectly illustrates the solution: multi-agent systems. Instead of relying on that single do-it-all AI model, you're creating a digital assembly line made up of highly specialized AI agents. Just imagine having one agent that acts as a researcher to gather information, who then hands it off to a writer to draft the code, who then passes it to a reviewer to double-check for mistakes. They all work collaboratively. We're essentially shifting from one overworked brain to a highly functioning, specialized team.
Moving to Section 1, what exactly are AutoGen and Crew AI? Let's look at the tools actually powering these digital assembly lines.
Let's kick things off with AutoGen. Originally built by Microsoft, AutoGen is this incredibly powerful code generation framework built heavily on top of LLM technology and conversational architecture. So what this means is that these agents solve problems by literally talking directly to each other. You can ask it to generate code for a massive range of tasks, from simple data processing all the way up to complex machine learning models. A planner agent breaks it down, a coder agent writes the code, and a reviewer checks it. And if the code fails, they don't just stop and throw an error. They autonomously converse, debug, and refine their work in a loop until the job is done. Plus, you can easily set it up to have human-in-the-loop oversight so you can just jump right in and steer the ship whenever you need to.
Now, the contrast between these two tools is honestly fascinating. While AutoGen thrives on those free-flowing autonomous conversations to generate and debug code, Crew AI takes a totally different approach. Crew AI functions as a highly structured, role-based platform that helps developers build and manage custom AI systems at scale. It provides an entire suite of tools for data pre-processing, model training, and deployment. Instead of just letting agents chat it out, it's all about deliberately designing a structured workflow where every single agent has a very specific, well-defined part to play. Setting up Crew AI is practically like casting actors for a movie. Just look at these core elements. You define a specific role, like, say, senior researcher. You give them a clear goal. You define the exact tools they are allowed to use, and, this is the coolest part, you even give them a unique backstory and persona to guide their behavior. It's an absolute game changer for getting started quickly and produces beautifully clean, readable results.
All right, Section 2. Why do these tools actually matter? Why is this shift from single models to multi-agent frameworks such a big deal?
Well, these tools matter immensely because they completely democratize access to AI development. Developers don't need to spend countless hours writing complex code from scratch anymore. These frameworks just eliminate all of that heavy lifting. Plus, it massively reduces the time and cost associated with AI development, meaning you don't have to rely on super expensive external consultants to build custom systems for you. And because the agents check each other's work, it drastically increases the overall accuracy and efficiency of your models.
This quote right here really captures the true value. Think about this. Developers can focus on high-level tasks, such as strategy and data analysis. By automating those complex, repetitive AI workflows, developers are finally freed up. They can stop worrying about the digital plumbing and focus entirely on actually solving the business problem. It just takes all the friction out of building intelligent systems.
Which brings us to Section 3. Who are these tools actually for? Do you need to be a hardcore machine learning engineer to use them?
Actually, no, not at all. As you can see mapped out here, AutoGen and Crew AI are tailor-made for developers, data scientists, and business analysts who want to build custom AI systems but maybe don't have extensive programming expertise. They're basically perfect for anyone who wants to leverage the power of AI to solve real-world problems, but simply might not have the time or the massive budget to build a whole team of specialized experts. On top of that, these tools are absolutely ideal for highly regulated industries. I'm talking about places like healthcare or finance, where strict regulatory requirements, compliance, and data sensitivity are totally non-negotiable. You can't just let an AI run wild in those environments, because frameworks like CrewAI and AutoGen let you set strict boundaries, assign specific tools, and keep a human in the loop. You maintain the absolute precise control you need for high-stakes data.
So, Section 4. How to use them. Execution is everything, right? So how do you actually start building?
Getting started is actually a relatively straightforward process. First up, you'll need to create your accounts on the respective platforms and just familiarize yourself with their interfaces. Once you're comfortable, you can start generating your first bits of code with AutoGen or start building out those custom AI crews in CrewAI. Definitely lean heavily on their tutorials and documentation. They are incredibly helpful. From there, it's all about experimenting with different scenarios and models to see what works best, and then finally integrating them right into your actual production workflows.
Now, as you start experimenting, a great golden rule to keep in the back of your mind is this: always choose the right tool for your specific workflow. If you're looking for clean, structured, role-based collaboration and fast prototyping, CrewAI is your best bet. But if your use case demands really flexible, conversation-driven pipelines, especially if you need human oversight injected directly into the chat, then AutoGen is definitely the way to go.
By democratizing AI development like this, we are fundamentally shifting how businesses operate. We're officially leaving the era of static, rigid software behind, and we are entering this incredible new world of living, collaborative, intelligent systems that can proactively solve problems and just drastically drive business outcomes. It really is a massive turning point.
So, with these incredible multi-agent frameworks right at your fingertips, the tools are finally here to revolutionize how you work. The digital assembly line is literally just waiting for you to turn it on.
AutoAgent and CrewAI enable organizations to create highly accurate, efficient AI models that drive real results without needing massive programming teams. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop relying on the limitations of the lone genius and build your very own AI crew? We hope this explainer gave you a great deep dive into the multi-agent future. Thanks so much for watching The Employee Factory, and we'll see you in the next explainer.